Welcome to the Introduction to Microsoft Word Page Layout tab, Part 7 of 9 parts, presented by the Fruitland Park Library, narrated by Gloria. Video Index, Page Layout, Page Setup, Arrange Group. In order to work along with the tutorial, it may be necessary for you to have two open windows side by side. It does not matter if one window is a website and the other is an application or program. The steps of maximizing or restoring down a window is the same for both. We will be using the website YouTube and Notepad as examples. The opening slides will suggest different methods. Please see slides 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 before continuing with the tutorial. In the upper right corner, there is a Maximize Restore Down button. Restore Down reduces the window to half its size, as you see below. When the window is maximized, it fills the entire screen, and the Maximize Restore Down button changes to double squares. You can adjust the width and the height by hovering the cursor on the right, left, top, or bottom edge of the window. The cursor will change from a normal arrow to an arrow with points at each end. You can then resize the window. Arrows are shown in red for better visibility. Arrows will be white on the screen. You can move the window to a new location on the screen by placing the cursor near the top, blue arrow, and holding down the left mouse button. Then drag it to the new location and release the mouse button. If you do not have Microsoft Windows on your computer and you are using Windows operating system, you can use Notepad to open two windows side by side. Click on the Windows icon in the lower left corner. Scroll down to Windows Accessories and click. A drop-down menu will open. Click on Notepad. Notepad size can be adjusted just like Word using the same steps. You can also save, open, print, copy, paste, and more using Notepad. After adjusting the first window, open the second window and repeat the steps. As you can see, the second window overlapped the first. Place your cursor near the top of the second window. Cursor should be a white arrow. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the second window off of the first window. The two windows will be side by side, allowing you to follow the instructions in the video. However, using this method will require you at times to use the right side and bottom scroll sliders. A second method is to use the Minimize button, which will drop a window down to the taskbar. Click on it to open it up. Using this method does require you to switch back and forth between the two windows. Just pause the video, minimize the window, and open up the other window. The last suggestion is to take your laptop or smartphone to a library and use one of the library computers. Open the tutorial on one computer or smartphone and use the other to follow along with the tutorial. Page Layout tab. In this video, we are going to explore the Page Layout tab. If you haven't already opened your Microsoft Word application, please do so now. Select the blank document. After the application opens, please click the Page Layout tab. Page Layout tab Setup Group. Page Layout tab allows you to customize your document. The commands allow you to set margins, control page size, orientation, indentation, and many other options. Click on the Margin command. Dialog box opens. It also gives you the choice of customizing the margins. Orientation of paper, paper size. Clicking on the columns and it will display this drop-down box. Go to Insert tab, Pages Group, click Blank Page. Type =rand, parentheses, 8, end parentheses, tap Enter. Go to Page Layout tab, Page Setup Group, Columns, click 2. Text is now 2 columns. Use the Undo button to change the text back to normal. Page should look like this. Type in equals rand parentheses 3 end parentheses and tap the Enter key or use the page you have open. We're going to add a picture to this page. Click on the Insert tab, then click on Pictures or Online Pictures to select a picture to insert. After clicking on Picture, the picture library will open. Select the picture you want by clicking on it. The name of the picture will appear in the File Name field, then click Insert. Page Layout tab, Arrange Group. The picture will now be inserted on the page. If your picture is too large and has been inserted on the next page, use the selection handles to reduce the size by pushing inward on the handles. The picture should move to the same page when it becomes small enough. The Picture Tools format is now displayed. Picture Tools format is displayed whenever a picture is selected. Pictures Tools Format tab, Arrange Group. Click on the picture to select it. Click on Position and then scroll through the choices and watch the picture move through the different locations on the page. If the picture is not selected, the picture will not change locations as you scroll. Picture behind text. Be careful when selecting text to be used in front of a picture, or text may be difficult to read or non-legible. Picture in front of text. Be careful not to place picture in front of the text unless that is the result that you're going for. This concludes the introduction to Microsoft Word Page Layout tab, Part 7 of 9 parts. Thank you for joining us for Part 7. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial and will be joining us for the remaining Parts 8 and 9 of Microsoft Word. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of this video, please contact me at gterry@mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.